So here we have the RS2M Evolution. So yep, RS2M was MoYu's 2x2 in the RS series. Actually a really stupid name considering the fact that I think in 2017 they released the MF3 RS2. They also were really stupid when they released the RS4. But I mean, I've already gone over just how stupid MoYu were in naming their cubes many times, so I don't think you want to listen to that again. If you do, then why not watch my RS4M unboxing / review, or the original RS2M unboxing or review. Right, okay. So if I remember rightly, the original RS2M was in fact 51mm. So this returns to the standard 50mm size. It actually feels a bit small to me because, like, I think the last I don't do much 2x2, but the last I remember of it was the GAN 251M Pro, which obviously is 51mm. It's in the name. But I mean, right out of the box, this feels nice and fast. I can tell, like, pops are basically not going to happen. Yeah, apparently it's got a ball core mechanism. Okay, well, it doesn't have a ball core mechanism. It's what I'd consider a ball core mechanism. Has the standard pieces from modern 2x2s. In fact, I suspect it's pretty reminiscent of the WAPO WRS, but I don't want to get too much into the design of 2x2s because I'm not that good at knowing stuff like that. But anyway, yeah, this is a good 2x2, and it's £9 on speedcubing.org. I guess I should go and get an RS2M to try and compare it to. So, to be honest, it's actually slightly too fast. Yeah. Right, let's put some Paris in there. Got these new lubricants, I might as well make use of them. If I can open the lid. Right, okay. Right, okay. Now that feels much better. I'm tempted to put a bit more in, but I'm going to resist that. Right, okay. So, I guess what we need to do now is do a few solves. Right, okay. So yeah, disclaimer, there is absolutely no way my solves are going to be any good, considering the angle I'm having to do them at. It's not going to work very well, but anyway. Right. .406, absolutely disgraceful. Okay. No, it's not going to work. That's annoying. .222. That is better. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's have a look at this scramble here. Anyone good at 2x2 is going to spot something nice. Well, I don't know. Still, it's 4.61, even with my absolutely insanely stupid COLL algorithm. anyone who's any good at 2x2 will be able to tell me a way better one. Okay, well that's a really easy layer. Can I predict anything? So that piece is going to end up there. So I'm going to have a PI case. Right, so I know I'm going to have a PI case. Oh, do I? Do I know that? Yes, I do know that. Do I know that? I don't know. I can't one-lock 2x2 solves. No! Yeah, I can't one-lock 2x2 solves. That is disgraceful. Right, okay. Oh yeah, inspection time exists, doesn't it? It's maximum 15 seconds, isn't it? Okay, well I'm just bad at 2x2 today, but this is a nice 2x2. I would definitely recommend it. Like, if you're in the market, like, I'm not sure. I think it might actually be better than the GMS. Obviously, it's £2 more expensive. I'm not sure whether it's going to compete with top 2x2s like the GAN 251M Pro or maybe the WaPo WRS. I mean, I presume it's the design is basically the WaPo WRS, just slightly cheaper version. But yeah, it's definitely worth considering. So yeah, it's £9 at speedcubing.org. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and if you want any cubes, you